Hello everybody. New vlog, maybe? I'm going to go race for sailing. I'm going on a J80 with a bunch of people I still haven't met. But it's a pretty big race, and it's a pretty big series, so hopefully I'll impress them and we can race a lot more in the future. Hopefully I'll get some footage on the boat, but my phone is not waterproof and I'll probably be pretty busy today. So I guess we'll see. Subway and a bus later. I think I'm halfway. Right now I'm in Wanchai, which is a pretty great place. Actually right over there, I still haven't made a vlog about it, but right over there there's a race course, and it's very famous because that's where all the horse races in Hong Kong happen. And people bet on it and go out, and it's a lot of fun. Just a couple more miles. I'm almost there. I found a Ferrari store on the beach, which is pretty cool. I don't know if you can see the Ferrari right there. But yeah, almost there. It's a windy day, like very windy, so let's see how this goes. Hopefully it'll be a lot of fun. Now I just need to figure out how to get from here all the way to that island, because that's where the club is. Problem solved. This is the boat. On the water again. Look how nice their boats are. Once again, I found myself in a place way too nice. Oh no! I hope that's not me. What a windy day. Alright, so today's a new day. Yesterday was super fun. It was amazing racing. It was really windy and really busy, so I couldn't really film anything on the boat, which kind of makes sense. But it went really well. We did pretty well. I got invited to join their team officially, so hopefully that means I'll be sailing a lot more now in Hong Kong. Today, I was invited back to sail on a whole different boat, just to cruise and to meet some people, maybe to sail with them in the future too. It's actually pretty crazy. The skipper I'm sailing with today, his architect firm designed this whole college building. Yeah, it's pretty wild. Here I am, Wong Chuk Hong, going to a different boat club today, and this is one of the newest parts of the Hong Kong MTR. One of the newer parts of Hong Kong, actually. Very pretty. We're racing on this huge yacht today. They gave me a shirt and everything. I'm really excited. It's not an offshore race yet, but maybe next time it will be. But yeah, this is crazy. Look at this. Electric winch. I'm on jib trim today. It's a lot of fun. There's a competition all the way back there. Claude, say hello.
Cheers.
This is how sailing really happens. Alright, that was it. Another great day of sailing. I don't know, I feel so lucky to be able to do this. Especially in Hong Kong. I don't really know how I got here. But it happened, and it's continuing to happen, and it's great. A dream come true, really. So thank you everyone who helped make this happen. Look, this club's so rich. They got a pool. Look, there's the ocean. There's a pool. Thanks everyone for watching, I guess. Thanks to Nana and Papa and my mom and dad for supporting me while I'm here. It's been great so far. I hope to talk to everyone soon.